data types, variables, basic input-output operations, basic operators 2.1 sample Python program 2.2 Python literals 2.3 operators, data manipulation tools 2.4 variables, data shape boxes 2.5 how to talk to computer 2.1 sample Python program Python input, output and import. Python provides numerous built-in functions that are readily available to us at the Python prompt. Some of the functions like input and print are widely used for standard input and output operations respectively. Let us see the output section first. Python output using print function. We use the print function to output data to the standard output device screen. We can also output data to a file, but this will be discussed later. X.1 print this sentence as output to the screen. X2 equals 5 print the value of a. The actual syntax of the print function is print asterisk objects, September equals, end equals, un, file equals sys, est.out, flush equals false. Here, objects is the values to be printed. The September separator is used between the values. It defaults into a space character. After all values are printed, end is printed. It defaults into a new line. The file is the object where the values are printed and its default value is sys, est.out screen. Here is an example to illustrate this. Print 1, 2, 3, 4 print 1, 2, 3, 4, September equals, asterisk, print 1, 2, 3, 4, September equals, hash, end equals, output 1 2 3 4 1 asterisk 2 asterisk 3 asterisk 4 1 2 3 4 and output formatting. Sometimes we would like to format our output to make it look attractive. This can be done by using the str format method. This method is visible to any string object. X equals 5, y equals 10 print the value of x is and y is format x, y. The value of x is 5 and y is 10 here. The curly braces are used as placeholders. We can specify the order in which they are printed by using numbers tuple index. Print I love 0 and 1 format bread, butter. Print I love 1 and 0 format bread, butter. We can even use keyword arguments to format the string. Print hello name greeting format greeting equals good morning name equals John. Hello John, good morning Python input. Up until now, our programs were static. The value of variables was defined or hard-coded into the source code. To allow flexibility, we might want to take the input from the user. In Python, we have the input function to allow this. The syntax for input is input prompt, where prompt is the string we wish to display on the screen. It is optional. Num equals input, enter a number. Enter a number, 10 output, num, 10. Here, we can see that the entered value 10 is a string, not a number. To convert this into a number, we can use int or float functions. Int 10, 10 float 10, 10.0 Python import. When our program grows bigger, it is a good idea to break it into different modules. A module is a file containing Python definitions and statements. Python modules have a file name and end with the extension p. Definitions inside a module can be imported to another module or the interactive interpreter in Python. We use the import keyword to do this. 2.2 Python literals. Literal is a raw data given in a variable or constant. In Python, there are various types of literals. They are as follows: numeric literals. Numeric literals are immutable, unchangeable. Numeric literals can belong to 3 different numerical types: integer, float, and complex.